In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock people on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture or Bitmoji to head over to your Snapchat profile settings. After that, tap Add That Gear to head over to Settings. And here we need to scroll down all the way until we find Blocked Users. We need to get into it, and here it will show us all the users we have blocked on Snapchat. Here I got a couple of users, and now I'm gonna show you how we can easily unblock them. It is quite simple process because all we have to do is just hit right here at the cross icon next to user we would like to unblock, just like that. Now it says, are you sure you want to unblock this user? To continue and to confirm it, just hit at yes. That's how we can easily unblock users on Snapchat. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.